Well, hello there. So when we're looking at this week's discussion question, it says, was the containment policy of President Truman 1946 to 1953 success or failure? So the key here is you look at Truman's administration during that time period. Now, to properly answer this question, you first have to start off with George Kennan and his long telegram. Tell the reader what was in the long telegram. Because without George Kennan and the long telegram, there is no Truman Doctrine, there is no containment policy. That would be step one. Step two, you have to look at where it was first used. This is where some students, they'll leapfrog and go to other things, which are important. But when you're reading and writing about history, everything should be in chronological order, and it should go in those steps. So what you're looking at is not only just Kennan and what the containment policy is but where it was first used in Greece and Turkey and why. And was it successful? From there, you could then move into other areas of success, such as the Marshall Plan and also the Korean War. And if you look to address that it wasn't always successful, then the only thing you could possibly look at is China being lost to the communists. But other than that, the Truman policy of containment was successful. Do not go into Vietnam, because Vietnam has nothing to do with President Truman or the containment policy, although it would be in effect more of what happened after the Korean War. So don't bother to go that way, okay? And as always, you have until Thursday of this week that you can submit your discussion. I'll critique it and get it back to you so you can get a better grade. We're almost done.